Concepts comes with dedicated tools for panning, zooming, and rotation, but these are mainly meant for when you're sketching on a machine without multi-touch, such as with a mouse and keyboard. The app is designed for touch input first, so there are more intuitive ways to manipulate the canvas when using it on a touchscreen device. Dragging 2 fingers on the screen allows you to pan around. With a pinch and spread, you can zoom in and out with some common snap targets. You can also rotate the canvas by turning 2 fingers. Your canvas will automatically snap to 90-degree increments. In case you want to avoid zooming in or out by accident when panning around, and you use a stylus, we recommend setting the pan gesture to a single finger. You can do that down here in the interaction settings. This also helps palm rejection, in that it prevents any accidental strokes on canvas while sketching.